In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever worked with PDFs, you know that editing them can sometimes feel like a challenge. But with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, it becomes straightforward and manageable. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open the PDF file you want to edit in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you haven't already downloaded and installed this software, be sure to do so from Adobe's official website. Once you have the software ready, double click on the PDF file to open it, or if you're inside Acrobat, you can go to the File menu and select Open to locate your document. Having your document open, you'll notice the user-friendly interface Acrobat offers, with various tools and options available. Now that we have our PDF file open, direct your attention to the global toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll find several options here, but the one you want to click on is Edit PDF. By clicking on this option, Acrobat activates editing mode, allowing you to interact with text, images, and other elements within the document. This step is crucial because it tells Acrobat that you're ready to make changes to the content of the file. Next, locate the text you need to move. Simply click once on the text to highlight it. You'll notice that when you do this, a blue box will appear around the selected text. This box indicates that the text is now ready to be moved or edited. It's an incredibly handy feature that visually signals the sections you're working on. With the text highlighted, move your cursor to the blue line surrounding the text box. You'll see your cursor change to a different icon, allowing you to click and drag the text box to a new location within the page. This feature lets you easily reposition the text wherever it fits best in your document. Be mindful of the page layout. Try to ensure the text remains within the margins and doesn't overlap other content, maintaining a clean and professional look for your PDF. By following these simple steps, you've successfully moved the text within your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This software provides powerful, flexible tools that make manipulating and organizing your PDF content almost intuitive. Don't forget to save your document once you've completed your edits by clicking File and then Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. With these skills, you can tackle any PDF editing task with confidence and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.